Jace.
I'm Kobe.
And I'm Chantel.
And we're KCJ Adventures.
We woke up this morning and it's a winter wonderland. It looks like we got some work we're gonna start doing to get everything shoveled out so we can get our cars out. Trying to help a neighbor out and get the sidewalk cleaned before they wake up. Jace is trying his best to scrape the sidewalk right now.
Always be nice.
You coming? Here he comes, Jace. Here he comes, keep going.
Hi everyone. We were going to go to Mom's today, but the roads can be very nasty. So that's why we're planning to go. It's in Salina. And they have very good biscuits and gravy, and they have good candy.
What you doing, buddy?
Nothing.
You wanna start the tractor? Turn the key right there.
Which way? Full?
Just turn it one click. Okay.
Okay.
See that yellow light right there?
Yeah.
Wait till that goes off. Okay, now turn it. Turn to start it.
Wait, this way?
Yep. Wow, it's cold, huh?
It's blazing. Six white boots, no white boots. I'm Australian. Just helping out neighbors, everyone. Be good and be like that.